Adam is living his dream. Family and career, he's got them all. To protect his family, he purchased Allianz Shield Plus, a comprehensive personal accident plan with up to 3 million ringgit on principal sum insured. Like if he gets into a road accident and is hospitalized, with Allianz Shield Plus, he will enjoy cashless admission and discharge. If he chooses alternative treatment, Allianz Shield Plus covers that too. Now, what if an accident happens to him when he's abroad and he dies? Allianz Shield Plus will cover his funeral expenses up to 5,000 ringgit. His family will also receive the double indemnity benefit. Say if Adam's principal sum insured is 3 million ringgit, they will receive 6 million ringgit in payout. So, no matter what happens to Adam, his family will still be well taken care of. And when Adam renews his policy with no claims in the preceding year, he will enjoy the renewal bonus, where the principal sum insured increases by 10% each year, up to 100%. With Allianz Shield Plus, he and his loved ones are well protected.
March 2020. The world screeched to a halt. Life as we knew changed. In solitude, we were reminded of all of the values and lessons we overlooked. We made up for lost times and all our little priorities while keeping our health in check. We saw selfless acts and kindness. Learned new skills along the way. As we persevered with tolerance and humility. Distancing and staying home became the new norm. But above all, unity became apparent. We were neither our creed nor skin. We lead with compassion and generosity. Today, we stand proud, ready with invaluable lessons, ready for what's ahead. So here's to all frontliners, unsung heroes, and everyone at home. Thank you for protecting Malaysia together.
A more than a century-old financial institution, we have come a long way to be one of the largest and strongest insurance company. So what does a history of more than a century mean? It means we were established way back in the 1890s and been serving customers ever since. Since then, we were there for our customers during great calamities, such as the great 1906 San Francisco earthquake and the tragedy of the Titanic in 1912. We remain resilient despite the several global financial crises. Many also did not know that we protected Hollywood productions, from Charlie Chaplin to Harry Potter, and the latest Marvel superhero films. We were there then and will continue to be here and now to secure millions around the world who have entrusted us with their future. As the world's #1 insurer, rest assured, we protect you from A to Z. Our financial strength is backed by strong financial ratings. Our strong foundation ensures that we can fulfill our commitments during the good times and also the difficult times. Here in Malaysia, we are equally committed to protect our customers from A to Z at all times. We have grown to be one of the largest insurers and a trusted brand in Malaysia. Our customers will always remain as our utmost priority in everything we do. So go ahead and make the most of your life and let us be your trusted life companion to take care of your financial securities. Allianz will be with you always.
Good morning, everybody. Selamat pagi. How are you today? Welcome and thank you for joining us today. Today, Allianz is going to launch a new product, which is Allianz Lifestyle Protect. I'm your MC today. I'm so excited to share with you more about the product, but I think it's better to let the professional to do it. That's why I want to introduce you these two handsome gentlemen. These two gentlemen have not seen each other since MCO started. So who are they? They are the head of agency, Iwan Lee, and also head of partnership, Sazali. Let's welcome the two handsome gentlemen.
Hi bro.
Hey.
Lama
Hi.
tak jumpa.
Yeah.
How are you, man?
I'm good, I'm good. Showroom condition is about what, 3 months?
Showroom condition.
We didn't meet each other for almost 3 months.
I
so
think it's
how are you and your family, by the way?
I'm doing okay. Managed to spend some time with my kid and family.
Oh, that's good.
They are,
Good to hear
they're
that.
coping well with the MCO. How about your side? Anything interesting?
Okay. I mean, during MCO time for the past 3 months, I do a lot of activities. You won't believe what I've done, lah. So I do a lot of gardening, you know. I do a lot of all this. I also now become plumber.
Really?
Repair my own pipe. See, the only thing that I cannot do is repair my neighbor's pipe. That one is forbidden. So beside that also, now I think that we have to change the way we do things. Exercise also within the housing area, so there is nothing much I can do. But I pick up one interesting thing. This one, you jangan gelak lah.
What is
But I'm
that?
going to share. I actually learned how to bake.
Really?
Yeah, I do baking. Okay, it's not up until I can sell the cake lah, you know. But I actually have one special recipe that I want to share. I want to cook it for you, but you have to give me 2 weeks time. After 2 weeks, I will give you. You can actually taste and try the cake.
I shall wait for your cake.
Okay, you wait for that. Yeah, I'll do that.
But actually, this COVID-19 pandemic
Yep.
has caused us haywalk everywhere at all levels. You know, loss of life, suffering, pain. Economy is not doing that well. Business community are affected. Some company are struggling to try to stay open. Many has lost their job. And also just a few days ago, I read over the newspaper, our unemployment rate is sky
Yeah.
high now.
Yep, yes.
So it's a very, it's a period of uncertainty, you know.
Correct, yeah. So, I mean, I just want to add, since you talk about unemployment rates increase, not only here in Malaysia. If you read from newspaper and all from the reports, it happens also in United States, also happen in Australia. It's actually
Everywhere.
a global issue. It's everywhere. So people often to talk about unemployment related to, you know, very likely that the crime rates also increase. So, you know, I just want to share you, since we talk about this topic, I saw this one lady crossing road. There is this guy snatched her handbag. She fell down, pity her, and fortunate for her is that I saw there's a few good Samaritans helping her, all this. But the sad part is that the valuable items, because the thief managed to snatch her bag, you know, she's losing her smart devices, you know, and then her ID, bank cards, all
Everything.
these essentials, everything's gone. So, I mean, this is what happening, and some things that everybody have to be aware. Yeah.
When you talk about snatch theft, the first thing that comes to my mind is smart devices like my handphone. Nowadays, we don't own one. We have a few. Tablets, laptop.
I got 2.
And some of these high-end gadgets is not cheap, you know.
Yeah.
It's, some might be 5,000, 10,000. And we are worried that it might be stolen, robbed, or damaged, you know. So even last week, one of my friends, he parked his car, went down, buy some stuff, came back, alamak,
Kena pecah.
kena pecah.
Oh.
Break in. Inside, lost, 1 laptop, 1 tablet. Minimum, 5,000-6,000 ringgit gone.
Yeah, that's minimum. I mean, depends on the brand also.
Yes,
Yeah.
plus the hassle of losing your personal data, financial loss.
That's tough.
Yes, so actually we need some protection for our smart devices.
Yeah.
During this period where we have to work more from home, we tend to bring our laptop home, commute, put in our car.
Correct.
So basically, it's more exposed to all these threats.
All these risks also.
Yeah. So talking about working from home, did it change your lifestyle?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I mean, 3 months work from home. At the beginning, it's not easy for me to fit into that scenario situations. But, you know, over time, getting better and better. So, I mean, you're talking about people carry laptop, you know, handphones, everything in the car. I saw people carry CPU.
Really?
Yeah, the CPU. Some of them they are not equipped with laptop, so they carry CPU, bro.
To bring home,
Of course, lah. I mean, certain of your works require more capacity, so I think CPU more reliable
Yeah.
compared to laptop. But that's not really the part I want to talk to you, lah. The part that I want to share with you is talking about the smart device handphones. It's already too attached to you. Until every day I browse and I start to pick up new hobby, online shopping.
Wow, best.
Banyak, bro. Duit habis. You know what? I downloaded all these e-commerce apps, platform, A, B, C, all these platforms. I start to purchase a lot of things. So it become habit. And then how smart this platform, their algorithm will actually give you a lot of ideas what to buy next. Some things that are related to your search. You let's say you search one item, and they will actually keep promoting, and become addicted. So I purchase a lot, But again, beside that online also, this smart device also very useful during MCO period, because this is the smart device that I also use for work from home. There is now we have to keep this social distancing. There is no more physical meeting. You cannot meet each other. So basically now I'm using all this WebEx platform, Microsoft Blue Jeans, all these kind of apps. And the setback of all these, I kena scam.
Kena scam?
Online shopping, yeah.
What happened?
I ordered these gardening tools.
Okay.
So basically then the seller keep promoting me, why don't you add that, you add this. So I keep adding. And then I waited for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Satu pun tak sampai, and then money gone.
The good didn't arrive?
Tak sampai, bro. Then I tried to contact the seller. Many times, I tried to contact, but still fail until today. So that is the risk. I think it's not only me. A lot of people outside there also will have the same experience, by doing this. It's become a new norm to us. Everybody now do online shopping.
Bro, you have to be very careful. Look at the review, look at the rating, and check, because some of this website is so real, so genuine, you can't tell the difference.
I did check. It's very authentic. Everything the same. It's at the beginning, it's very responsive. After you keep asking, where's the goods, where's the refund, all this, nothing, quiet.
Same goes with me. My online purchase also increased. And previously, when we can go out more, we use more cash to pay. Now I realize actually, another thing that increased is my credit card usage and my e-wallet.
You keep buying.
Yes. So not only I have credit card outstanding, but actually like most of us, we have financial commitment like housing loan, car loan.
Credit cards.
Yes, credit card. And when you add all this together, the amount is not small,
It's big.
It's big. And then it got me worried a bit. If, let's say, something happened to me, if I met with an accident, hospitalized, and I can't work for the next couple of months. So I would like to have this financial assurance that all these bills and loans are taken care of. Yes. At least then I don't need to burden my family.
Correct. Yes.
And I can focus on recovery. Yeah. Talking about financial commitment, your kids are going to college soon, right?
Well, I got 2 boys.
Yes.
They're growing up. I mean, now, as a parent, one thing for sure that always hit you, one day you will experience the same also, is about their education. I also planned actually to send them abroad for study. So I did some research on my own. So I want to send them to UK, London for study. Now, of course, there's a few courses that I think, which is very essential now. So the cost annually for this is between 100 to 200,000. It's not cheap. Annually,
Not cheap. For a few years, right?
For a few years. And then furthermore, per semester also costs you a bomb. It's 30, 40,000 per semester? So as a parent, you always have this worried and concerns, if anything happened to you as a sponsor, who's going to take care of all this and whatnot. So these are the things that, as what you say, like a parent, I also think about financial protection. I need some things, that can make me and my family feel comfortable in the event of all these things.
It's a joy and responsibility of being a parent.
And then the transportation cost also not cheap.
Air ticket.
Air ticket. Now less flight, then the price of the ticket increase over time. It's like 2-3 times just to go to the same destination. So this is something that I think every parents have to think of. Yep.
As you can see, from just a casual conversation between both of us, we recognize that there are many risks which will affect our daily life. And some of these risks might happen to us.
Yeah.
That is exactly the reason we launched this new product called Allianz Lifestyle Protect. It's a all-in-one product with many benefits that is suitable for most of us.
Yes. So just to add to what Ivan says, COVID-19 changes. COVID-19 changed the way we shop, do shopping, the way we work, the way we meet people, even the way we exercise. So COVID-19 became a new norm to all of us, not only in Malaysia, but globally. So Allianz, we put all our resources together. We have engagement with all our stakeholders, with claims personnel, from our IT, from underwriting, from sales, from ops, to come up with this specialized product so that this product can be offered to all Malaysians. So Allianz Lifestyle Protect is a product consists of 16 other components that varies according to a plan. So without further delay, I would like to invite our Chief Executive Officer, Encik Zakri K, to wrap up and officially launch Allianz Lifestyle Protect. Encik Zakri.
Thank you, Sazali. First of all, welcome to our virtual launch. This, I think, is our second launch of the year. And I'm still not used with this, talking to people who's not there, actually. So just bear with me. I still hope for the day when the MCO is over, and then we can have proper launches in nice halls where I can see the person in which I'm talking to. Anyway, it is what it is, and life goes on. This life goes on, as I just said, and today we're in the recovery phase of the MCO. And in the recovery phase, we are beginning to discover our previous lifestyle activities. So we're going back to what we used to do, our hobbies, our jobs, and stuff like that. So this brings the question of when we go back, we also now basically realize that, especially after this COVID-19, that we also face a lot more risks. So this is where the Allianz Lifestyle Protect is very important, because it offers you a myriad of benefits in which it will then accommodate your particular lifestyle, your hobbies, your jobs, your loans, things like this, which is an everyday reality for every Malaysian. Okay? Now, insurance, what do? We're an equalizer. This is what we do. We try to equalize the risk so that you can go on and continue to do the things that you like. And in the event that something not so nice happens to you, we'll be there to give you a little bit of protection to cover you so that you can get and stand up again and continue with your life. So, this is called Lifestyle Protect. You would say it's a PA, but actually it's not just a PA. It's a comprehensive protection lifestyle plan, which every Malaysian will find that it benefits them. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when we design stuff for Malaysians, it is for Malaysians. And it incorporates the way and how we live in Malaysia. I think, and I urge you that it's worthwhile for you to consider. Please contact an Allianz agent. The Allianz agent will be able to explain to you the various features of the product, and hopefully you'll be convinced enough to purchase this particular product. It is not affordable. It starts with 85 ringgit per year, and I'm sure you will find this particular product very useful. Ladies and gentlemen, before I end, thank you very much, and I would like to welcome you to explore this particular product that we've launched today. Thank you.
Thank you, Zakri. I'd like to invite Sazali and Ivan again to launch a product together with our CEO, Encik Zakri Khir.
Okay, now we do this virtual launch, right?
Gentlemen, count on 3 and please place your palm on the virtual button to officiate the launch. 3, 2, 1.
This is Anna. She's about to head to work.
Hi there! Come on, let's go!
Like many of us, she takes the train. Anna, watch out! Oh no, are you okay, Anna? Don't worry, not all is lost when you're covered by Allianz Lifestyle Protect.
Oh, yeah!
Anna loves online shopping, like really loves it.
I really need to stop buying so many things, but this is nice.
Yeah, that looks nice. Bye. Hey, Anna, that looks weird. Wait.
No! I've been scammed!
This is bad, but don't worry. Allianz Lifestyle Protect is here for you. Today, Anna's meeting up with her friends for tennis. Oh no, your window's broken and your racket's gone.
Not to worry, even my racket is protected by Allianz Lifestyle Protect, remember?
You're absolutely correct. Introducing Allianz Lifestyle Protect, an all-in-one insurance plan that protects your lifestyle, so you don't have to worry about everyday risks and losses. Life happens, but you can always make sure it runs smoothly with Allianz Lifestyle Protect.
Okay, here's the Q&A session. I would like to introduce Head of Sales Management, Ms. Linda Law, to join the Q&A session together with our CEO, Encik Zakri Khir. Here's the first question.
All right, let me take these first questions. The questions come from Mr. Tay Weng Cheng, asked about, I would like to know more about Allianz Lifestyle Protect all-in-one plan. Okay, what I can tell you is that if you'd like to know more about Allianz Lifestyle Protect, please go to our website at www.allianz.com.my, or you can contact our authorized agents to check more about the product features itself. Yeah. The next questions are, can you tell us more about study interruptions? I'll take this one, yeah, Zakri? Okay, the study interruption is an optional cover that we have in these product features. Basically, what we cover is that the insured persons, if they take this study interruption, we will pay 1 semester fees, reimburse them 1 semester fees if the insured person is hospitalized due to accident. And also, for the sponsor that pay for the student for the study fees, we will pay you also if the sponsor died due to an accident. On top of that, we also cover you the transportation cost to return back to your home country to visit any of your family members that is hospitalized or passed away due to an accident. So the product itself, basically, the benefit under study interruption as cheap as 17 ringgit only, yeah? And it's covered up to 10,000 ringgit. So I would say that the 10,000 ringgit per semester fees will be able to help you to ease the burden. The next question will be, how do you see the take-up rate for this product? Do you think it will that it will do well among Malaysians? Zakri, you want to take this?
Yeah, I mean, we get asked this question all the time. And honestly, we think that this product will be beneficial and attractive to people. But at the end of the day, the thing with Malaysians is you must feel a sense of vulnerability, that there is a risk and you would like to cover that risk, and then only you would buy. We see some interest in terms of Malaysians in respect to insurance, but not a lot. So what do we do then? We just got to keep on plugging, we got to keep on producing products and introducing new products and also communicating with the Malaysians so that they understand that these products are good. There is no bad product. Products are always good. But the point here is you need to find a product that is suitable for you. Hence, we think there is a great opportunity, there is a market there, and hopefully people will buy this particular product.
Okay, the next question from Xavier Kong. With the mention of protection for smart devices, what options are there for saving personal data like passwords or bank account access? Will Allianz be moving into this data protection space? Zakri, you want to take this one?
Yeah, okay, basically, it's just to protect the cost of you having to deal with the loss of a particular smart device. Now, it doesn't get any more complicated than that in the particular Lifestyle Protect. However, the question of will Allianz be moving in the data protection space? We're thinking about it, we're exploring, we're looking at the data. I must say it's a very complex area because there are really multitudes of standards when it comes to data protection. So every time we want to provide protection, there must be a standard in which we protect against. So this is something we hope at some point in time in the IT security world, there's a certain standard that can be applied to everybody, and hence once that is done, then I think insurance products to protect data, personal data, would be more available to everybody.
Okay, the next question is this the first product of its kind? I would say that this product is the first one in the market right now. We can see that many benefit that offered by the telco company, that have the very fragmented benefit that covers, But in Allianz, we make sure that all these come into one plan that you can rest assured that you don't need to worry about your lifestyle, yeah? Okay, we have another question from Tay Weng Cheng that asks, can I upgrade my plan? Yes, of course, you can upgrade your plan anytime that you want, upon renewal to the highest plan if you think that the existing one is not sufficient enough for you to cover. All right, the next questions from Kartika Amri. What are the key benefits of the products? Okay, the key benefits of this product is like what mentioned earlier, that we cover you smart devices, we cover you also study interruptions, and also your sport equipment that you put in the car or at home, And this is basically covering all your lifestyle. If you have the active lifestyle, this product will be the most suitable one for you, yeah? All right, the next questions from Eddie. How affordable is this product? Very, very affordable, I would say that, The minimum plan, the cheapest one is range from 85 ringgit. And if you are our existing Allianz policy holder for Allianz Shield Plus, you only pay about 76 ringgit only. It's less than 20 cents a day, So which I think that all of us can afford to pay this, yeah? The next question will be, how much do you expect to make from this product? Zakri, you want to take this?
Yeah, this is another question that people often ask us. To be very honest, we actually really don't know. We don't make a product and then say, okay, we want to make X amount of profit from it. Insurers like us, we design product to provide protection. Hopefully, we make a small margin, which will then be good for us. But what is more important is that the product is able to cater to the needs, the lifestyle of the customer. And very importantly is when you have an event that results in a claim, we pay your claim. So that's basically more important to us than how much do we expect to make from this product.
But Zakri, from sales perspective, I have 1.6 million retail customer, Ajik have 1.6 million retail customer. I would love to see at least, 10 or 20% of this existing customer buy this product because it's so affordable and it's so relevant to you, I mean, those that are student, young adult, working adult, even my parents also carry a smart device, So I think that, yes, I would love to see that, our existing customer take up this product as many as possible. All right, I think this is the last questions. Thank you very much for being with us today. If you'd like to know more about this, please go to our website or you can contact any of our authorized agent to check more about the product features.
Thank you.
Thank you, Zakri. Thank you, Linda. A big thank you to everyone that joined us today, especially friends of media. It's time to say goodbye. If you want to know more about the product, please visit our corporate website at www.allianz.com.my or contact Allianz agent immediately. I'm Faye. I wish to see you at our next event. Stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye.